lesson, you're going to write down division vocabulary. So make sure you have your math journal so that you can write down some of this vocabulary to help you with division. Our first vocabulary word is quotient. And the quotient is the answer in a division problem. So when I look at 6 divided by 2 equals 3, the quotient is 3 because that's the answer in the division problem. Take a look at this problem. Go ahead and write this problem down in your journal and circle the quotients. The next thing we're going to look at is number of groups. So when we're talking about division, division is just like multiplication in that there is always number of groups and number in each group. So if I look at this problem, there are 12 students in PE class separated into 4 equal teams. How many students are in each team? I see there's 12 students and they're divided into equal groups. And they're divided into 4 equal teams. So teams are groups. So the number of groups in this example is 4. And it's looking for how many are in each group. So the next vocabulary word you need to write down is number in each group. And so in this case, it's asking for that. How many students are in each team? So it's looking for it. That's important to remember in a division problem. It's either going to be looking for how many are in each group or the number of groups. So if we look at this, in your journal, I want you to write down the number of equal groups. So go ahead and pause the video to do that. Okay, and now I want you to write the number in each group. So go ahead and pause the video to write the number in each group. So let's talk about these being equal groups. So right now this is equal groups because there's the same number in each group. In division, you have to have equal groups. Which leads us to our next vocabulary word. Go ahead and write the word remainder in your journal. And remainder is how many are left over. So in division, you're making equal groups, and there might be something left over. In this case, I have 1 left over, so my remainder is 1. Go ahead and pause the video to explain what remainder is.